design and build versus traditional contractor. What's the difference? That's a great question. Let me break down for you. What is design and build? Design and build means first thing, build a budget. We need to know what your space is gonna look like, something like this. High level budgeting, where we can land. With that information, go to the selections, and then with all the selections, create a render. Design it, then render it, so you can see what the space is gonna look like. For a bathroom remodeling, here is the bedrooms. I'm sorry, this is the living room and the kitchen. In this case, this is a full home remodeling, but this right here, it's a render part of the design, knowing this is gonna have an addition at the back. So this, after the sketch has been done, this is what space is gonna look like. Traditional constructor is more like this. If I'm not trying to put fingers in here, alright? So I'm just trying to inform, because this was the way I used to do business. Basically, paper like this, describe all the work in here, trying to fit everything in one page, put in numbers like what's gonna this scope of work, demolition, building, framing, exterior wall, kind of high level description. Then at the bottom, the price. This is $102,010 for the price. And again, this is just me what I used to do, what I'm doing now. So usually as a traditional constructor, I just used to design, I should build an idea what the project, what cost is going to be, then present something like that. Also, I used to ask the homeowner to go to the plumbing supplies and shop what she likes. Shop what you like about finished fixtures. You got freedom to choose. You got to find your own supplier for cabinets, or we can suggest somebody to go, you can go with. But you do your homework and just come back with information, and I can build that for you. Design and build, and the other side is really trying to find who you can work with. What supplier will take care of the client, not with the price only, with the service, with quality, with guidance, warranties, all the good stuff. But also with timing, with everything, and work with us, creating budget to be accurate, to get accurate numbers. So that's the difference between traditional contractor and a company who wants to help through the entire process and kind of walk through the hand. Now, which one is better, which one is worse? I don't think there is worse or better. Will be up to you. What do you need? Do you need a company that can guide you through the process, guide you through the selections, build a budget in advance, give you breakdown information so you get to know where your money is going? Or you just want a full number, quick description, you know what you want, and you're good with that? So it all depends what type of person you are. If you're hoping to see, hoping to understand, and really trying to find out where your money is going, how the money is going to be invested, probably the design and build firm will be the best option for you. If not, the traditional company will be good enough for you. You don't have to go through the next steps. All right, I hope I was able to answer that question.